Today I'm going to show you how to transfer Chrome data to Microsoft Edge in just a few simple steps. If you've just switched browsers or you want to use Edge without losing your bookmarks, passwords, history, or saved data from Chrome, this video will save you a lot of time. And before we jump in, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick, easy software tutorials just like this. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Make sure Google Chrome is already installed on the same PC because Edge needs to detect it in order to import your data. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Edge menu where you can access all of the browser settings and tools. From that menu, click Settings. Now Edge Settings will open. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu with different categories. Click Profiles. This is where Microsoft Edge manages your browser identity, sync options, and imported browsing data. After that, scroll down until you find Import Browser Data. Click on it to open the import settings. Edge will now scan your computer and show you any available browsers and data types you can bring in. Here, you should see an option that says Import Data from Google Chrome. That is the one you want. Next to it, you'll see an Import button. Click Import to begin the transfer process. At this point, Edge may ask what you want to bring over. Depending on the options available, you may be able to import things like favorites, saved passwords, browsing history, cookies, and other browser data. Select the items you want to move from Chrome into Edge, then continue. Once you confirm, Microsoft Edge will start importing the data automatically. This usually only takes a moment, depending on how much information is stored in Chrome. When it finishes, your Chrome data will now be available in Microsoft Edge so you can keep browsing without starting over. This is especially useful if you're changing browsers for work, school, or just personal preference because it makes the switch smooth and easy. You don't have to manually recreate bookmarks or re-enter every site you use. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps out, and it also means you'll stay updated with more simple step-by-step guides like this one. And that's it. You've successfully transferred Chrome data to Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.